Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put your YouTube Shorts into your Snapchat stories. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to go to our YouTube mobile app and then get any shorts there so we can add it to our Snapchat story. And basically now we can go to YouTube and from here we are here in these shorts and let's go to any shorts and basically you will need just to click on the share button, and by clicking on share button, since here I'm having my screen mirror, so I will have this arrow. And basically now, after you click on the share button, all you really need to do is just to click on the Snapchat icon. As you can see here, we have multiple icons, and those are all the social media or all the share points where you can share this short. Basically, what we are interested in is to share it in Snapchat. So basically, we will be needing just to click on Snapchat. And as you can see now, we are just going to click on Snapchat, and automatically it will allow us to share this YouTube uh, short. And this is how it looks. And from here, you can start like adding a sound or whatever you like. And basically, the YouTube link is already there, and you can start adding some caption like to make that to say that it's funny or giving some comments on uh, the shorts, etc., etc. And after that, here at the bottom, we can see that we can either send it to someone specific or we can put it onto our stories. And basically, in my story, you can either choose the public or the friends only, and basically, you will have it published to your story. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.